Introducing the Blunami 1100 from SoundTraxx. The Blunami 1100 is designed for N-scale and small HO scale locomotives. It has up to 1 amp stall current for motor control. The Blunami 1100 has 4 lighting outputs with over 20 different selectable lighting effects available. It also has a plug-in harness on each end that makes it easy to remove and reinstall. Extra harnesses are also sold separately. The Blunami 1100 has a 1-watt amplifier for rich, crisp sound for your model.
You can see I've got the locomotive running, and we'll go forward just a little bit.
Please use speakers rated for 1 watt or more and 8 ohms of impedance. The Blunami 1100 is available in all sound files: Steam, EMD, EMD2, GE, Alco, Baldwin Others, and electric. The Blunami 1100 is compatible with the Blunami App in both the Apple and Android operating systems. It operates on traditional NMRA DCC systems. The Blunami 1100 can be also powered by applying DC voltage from a power pack or an onboard battery. The free Blunami app can be used for sound selection and all setup of the decoder, as well as full operation, including all lighting outputs, sound, and multiple unit consisting. Please visit SoundTraxx.com for more information on the Blunami 1100.